For 3 generations, the Future Automotive Group has been Northern California's premier automotive dealer group. And here's another example of a great vehicle from our giant selection of pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs, and comes equipped with heated rear seats, universal garage door opener, voice-activated touchscreen navigation system, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, convenience package with power equipment group, heated front seats, parking sensors, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle goes through our rigorous inspection and reconditioning process, and with thousands of cars, trucks, and SUVs to choose from, you're sure to find exactly what you're looking for. We hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you what excellence in customer service looks like. So give us a call or stop by. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.